Today, I'm going to build something absolutely insane. There is a young guy who built an app called CalAI, and the current approximate valuation of that app is 30 million US dollar. And here is the short video of the founder.
I'm going to make $1 million before graduating high school.
School senior who has made millions developing an AI calorie tracking app.
Okay.
It's an app where you take a picture of your food and it will tell you how many calories it has.
How much money do you make?
Make $1 million every month.
And how old are you?
17.
It literally scans your food and tells you calories, protein, carbs, fat, everything. And today I'm going to clone that app inside Google AI Studio within one video within 10 minutes. You can also save hundreds of dollars or euros on your monthly subscription and build mini apps for your day-to-day requirements. It's easy and without writing a single line of code. It doesn't matter if you don't know coding, backend, frontend or any AI models because Google AI Studio changed everything. You can build powerful apps with just one prompt and I will show you exactly how. Alright, let's jump inside Google AI Studio. So you can simply log in with your Gmail ID and then you can go to build section. Goal is crystal clear. Clone the CalAI app, make it accurate and functional, make it look premium. I wrote a detailed prompt for you, a literal blueprint describing every feature, every screen, every UX detail, every data structure and how exactly AI should behave. So let's go quickly with the prompt. So first I gave persona, then I provide app purpose and then MVP features. It includes image analysis, barcode scan and search, onboarding goals, and also I provided design requirements, what screens will be required. You can find full prompt into description tab. Let me copy full prompt and paste into Google AI Studio and then we can click on build. Basically a complete CalAI-style app from a scratch. And as you can see, if we go to code, it's writing literally code for us. So I don't know anything about coding, so it's really magic for me because I just describe an idea and AI will create app for us. And there you have it. They created first version, but I found that, so for example, if I click on female or if I click on male, the other is not showing. So what I can do, I can use this annotate, I can mark this. It's a very handy feature. So, and then you can describe what you need to improve. So I describe it to improve it. And I also ask to improve the user experience design for the first page. And we can simply just generate. There you have it. Now they updated UX design and also we can see clearly male and female. Male, height is around 178, 85, age is 29 or 28. I'm moderate. So what do you want to achieve? I wanted to maintain. Okay, so now we can log food and we can add the photo. Let's try to check. We are adding pasta and it is analyzing food for us. Okay, so that gave us a result, penne pasta with tomato sauce and that 465 calories, 14 gram protein, 83 carbs, 7 gram fat. So we can log meal and from the today's goal, 2368 is left, added into our meal diagram and then we can go to settings and daily goal is this one, our weight is that and height is 178 centimeter. So you can change whenever you want. I can also change a device. So I can, if I select mobile, then it looks like this on mobile. Now I want to add water tracking. So what I mentioned here, I want to track water too. Please add a simple hydration card to the timeline view. Let's click on generate. So and it will work for us and it will add water tracking for us. Instantly within 1 minute, I get a hydration tracker integrated beautifully into UI without coding with just one instruction. Now let's make it AI smart by adding health grading feature. That kind of feature turns your app from useful to addictive. Smash the like button if you are learning something new today and subscribe to my channel if you want more AI powered builds in future. And remember, the next $1 million app could come from you. So I asked, let's make the scan results smarter. Instead of just showing the numbers, can you add a health grade A, B, C, D and short one sentence tip based on the macros? And they updated it. So let's try to add photo. Okay, I'm adding one Indian meal and see, it is currently analyzing food. I'm very exciting for this result, and they gave us grade C, and they are giving insight that consider reducing the butter and the coconut chutney portion to lower the fat content. And as you can see here, you can change the portion size, because sometimes if the photo doesn't reflect the accurate portion size, then you can change the portion size and then you can add log meal. This is really professional. I'm loving it. And here you can see the protein section. It can improve it by quickly asking it. Okay, I asked 3 changes altogether. So one change is that I just need a 1 digit after decimal, and also 2 other features: quick add button and strict gamification. The first feature is to make a logging faster. Can you add a recent meals list to the home screen? And also the second feature is let's add some gamification to keep the user motivated. And then I click on generate. Now we have professional, polished and real startup product with strict tracking. Now app is ready, so you can change, you can play around with this, you can share the app. Now you have link, you can deploy the app, and that's it. We just cloned viral AI calorie tracking app. We added smart logic, gamification, hydration tracking inside Google AI Studio. No coding skills, no expensive developers, no complicated setup, just smart prompting. Now, what is stopping you to build your own startup? It's just one prompt away. Let me know in the comment section what app I should build next.